Hi everyone, stay tuned in this video to meet Glam Meets Girl to see some stacking and combination therapy for both stretch marks and laser hair removal. My name is Caroline Hooper, Certified Laser Specialist Trainer, and I'm also Clinical Director of a chain of clinics in Dublin. If you're a doctor, nurse, beautician or somebody looking to get into the aesthetic industry, you should consider downloading your free training module on laser hair removal in the description below this video, which I've provided for you completely free. Welcome back to another tutorial, or if you're new, please subscribe. Welcome to Laser Boss Community, where we upload 2 to 3 educational videos each week based on the aesthetic industry. And I'm proud to say that this video is sponsored by ClickFunnels, your online software for web, blogs and sales funnel needs. Make sure to check out your free 14-day trial in the link in the description below this video. So, what's your concerns? How can I help you today?
Okay, so I was recently pregnant. So as you know, when you're pregnant, your hormones kind of go all over the place. So the one thing that I did find was that my hair got a lot thicker and came a lot faster, grew a lot faster.
Yeah.
So the likes of my underarm, I got some unnecessary hair on my stomach, and then my bikini line as well. They're kind of my 3 main areas that kind of are causing concern, I suppose.
Okay, so you want to remove the hair?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and my stretch marks as well. I have stretch marks here. I didn't have them till I was about 8 months pregnant, and then the bump got big and my skin had to stretch.
Yeah.
So they're still quite raw looking, and they should have gone down by now.
Regards to stretch marks, it would be one of the most difficult concerns to treat. So I really just want to help you with like realistic expectations for the outcome of your treatments.
Right.
That's before even seeing the area. With regards to laser hair removal, very easy. We're probably the best in the country at doing it. So what I'll do is we'll have a look at the area and I'll be able to advise you more. If you're ready, we'll get you to pop up on the bed.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
So after having a good look at the areas, what we're going to do is we're going to treat your hair with the light shear duet, and we're going to give you vacuum laser hair removal therapy. Okay. Regards the stretch marks, we're going to stack a combination of treatments.
Okay.
So first I'm going to remove the dead skin from the area, and then I'm going to microneedle over the area too, and then we're going to apply dual electrodes of radio frequency, and that's all going to target the scar tissue. How did you find your treatment today?
Not as bad as I had anticipated, not as painful.